Hello, Steven with SidePrompt. We're going to do a quick 5-minute video on how to set up SidePrompt. So, click Settings. Once you're signed in, this is what it's going to look like. OpenRouter, Gemini, Abacus AI, and if you have a local one set up and you have the extension installed, and I'll go over that in a sec, then you can use your local AIs as well. So, we're going to use OpenRouter. That's probably going to be the most common. You're going to click Get OpenRouter API Key. Now that's going to take you to your API key page if you already have an account. But let's assume you don't have an account. So I'm going to use my Safari because I don't have it signed in there. And this is the page you're going to get when you sign up here. Put your email password in, and then you're going to be able to top up your card. And once you do that, you put $5, $10 in there. Then you're good. You're topped up there. Then you're going to just go to API key. Or click that again, and it's going to bring you into this page, and you're just going to hit create, and you're going to call this SidePrompt, right? And hit create. It's going to give you and just hit copy this API key, and you just paste it in right here. You just paste it in right there. Once you paste in that API key, you can add more, and I'll show you how to do that if you want. A set of AIs that are already going to come up in the drop down for you, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Let me go ahead and delete this. I already have a SidePrompt. I already have mine, right? Now, if you are in OpenRouter, you can also go to models. You can type in the model here you want. So if you're like, if there's a new Gemini out you want to do, you can just hit Gemini and you can pick whichever one you want. Once you pick it, you just copy it, paste it in here, hit add. That's all. That's all you do. All right. If you were saying, you know what, I want to use Groq. Maybe you like Groq. You hit Groq, paste, copy, paste it in right here. Okay. But if you don't have anything in here, let me show you. There's already some in here. So these are the probably the hottest ones right now are the ones that you got GPT, you got Anthropic's Claude, and you have Gemini. So we pre-put those in, and then you can add any other ones you want, right? So that's how you do open routers, and it's the same process for Abacus. If you click on there, you can sign up and get it here. I already. Let's see. You can go to Route API. This is all your models available here that you can just copy and paste over. Same thing. Copy, paste it in here, and then you can do that. Now we have some presets on Abacus too already. Good to go. So that's how you set up the API, basically. Oh no, I'm sorry. That's the available models, and if you want a new API key, you just generate API, create API, and then just copy it. Just hit copy, and then you can paste it right here. And then it's going to give you the general ones that we already set up, or you can add the one available models right here. You can go in there and paste those in. So that's how you do Abacus. Now Google also has if you sign in with your Google, I'm sorry. If you sign in with your Google, get Google API key. This will already just take you to the page. You just create a new one, create API key. Once you create it, you hit copy, paste it over. A lot of them aren't going to work on the free tier, so you have to have an account. I do have the ones checked that do work in the free tier, but there are limits. I'll show you what they are real quick. Daily limits, RPD, requests per day, 20 for Flash, and then you get so many per minute, but you only get 20 a day. And then Gemini 3 Flash, 20 a day, Gemini Lite, 20 a day. So if you cycle them, you're going to get 60 free ones, basically. These don't work as good, 27B, but you get a lot of those, but it just doesn't work as good. These are good. And if you want to use any other ones, you just got to pay. That's all. There's your spend. you can set up your billing if you want to do that. So that's how you do the Google one. Once you do pick whatever you pick, they're going to show up here. The last thing is local. If you have your extension set up, then you can select the local ones. You do have to put your extension ID here, and I'll show you what that is. This is your extension ID. You got to paste that in right here. It'll connect to your local LLM. Once the extension's connected, oh, I don't have it selected, Steven. All right, once you select it, there's my local ones. All right, so do I have it on? I don't think I have it on right now. Let's just say hi. Just saying hi from a program I made. A program I made, checking it works good, and doing a how to set up video. That's how you set up the local one. So you have the cloud ones, the local ones, the drop down, whatever you set up is going to show up here. Custom, you can just put in the name. You got to copy it over from the provider, OpenRouter, Abacus. You just copy over the exact name, how they have it. Just paste it in here. If you want to call it something else, it'll display differently, but call it exactly what it's supposed to be called. And that's how you set up the API. Thank you for watching.